So I was recently on the phone with a potential client here in North Mississippi where we were discussing their potential case. It was a tough case involving someone who had lost a family member as the result of someone else's bad conduct and negligence. I won't go into the details of that case, but suffice it to say the spouse who was bringing the potential claim asked me, just out of a sense of not knowing. They had heard about people having claims for emotional distress or their emotional loss in claims, and had just asked me, is it true that in Mississippi that you can recover for emotional distress? And I think that is just a great question that a lot of people, because of what you see on TV or hear from others, may not be sure about. And so it's a question that I thought we would address today. The answer to that question, sort of straightforward answer, is yes. You can recover in Mississippi in a personal injury claim for your emotional distress. That can be a result of what we call pain and suffering, in terms of a person injured by someone else's negligence, the pain that they go through as a result of that injury, the suffering that they go through as a result of that injury, is and should be compensable under our law. It can also go to the emotional distress that's tied to the loss of a loved one, as in the case that I was referencing, where a spouse had died as a result of someone else's negligence. Well, the spouse who survives and their children, and it could be other members of the family depending on the situation under our law, are entitled to compensation, not just for the lost earning capacity of that individual, not just for the economic loss of medical bills and those type things, but for the very real, that we all know and feel, emotional loss of having someone torn from you prior to their time, and having lost a loved one as a result of someone else's bad conduct. So the short answer is yes. Under our law here in Mississippi and in most states, you can recover for that emotional loss. But the key in doing so is having an attorney and a law firm that deals regularly in these types of claims for personal injury and wrongful death, who knows how to work up the case to get you the correct value, the true value, the top dollar for those emotional losses. Because it's not enough just to say that you had them and to make a claim for them. It has to be proven. And it's only with the right experience and working up the case and putting in the sweat equity and working up the case properly that you get that value that you deserve for those very real emotional losses. As always, we are here at Brad Morris Law Firm, available to consult on your case if you have any questions, and to try to get you answers. So I hope this video is helpful, and I appreciate you watching.